In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your view from grid to list in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access Google Drive. If you haven't done that yet, just open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, make sure to sign into your account if you haven't already. It's a pretty straightforward process, so I'm sure you'll be in and ready to explore in no time. Now that you're signed in, the next thing you need to do is locate the view icons. Take a look toward the top right corner of your screen, just below the search bar. You'll see a couple of icons there that represent the different ways you can view your files, and they're really handy for customizing your Drive experience. When looking at those icons, you'll notice the grid icon, which indicates that you're currently in the grid layout. It gives a more visual arrangement of your files, showing thumbnails, and making it easy to spot what you need at a glance. However, for those times when you prefer a more text-based layout, you'll also see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's your go-to for switching to list view. So, if you're ready to make the change, simply click on that icon with the 3 horizontal lines. That's it. Just like that, your files will rearrange themselves into a neat list format. One of the benefits of using the list view is that it allows you to see additional information for each file right away. You'll gain quick access to details like who the file owner is and when it was last modified, all at a glance. It's definitely a great way to keep track of your documents, especially when you have a lot of files to sift through. Now, let's say you decide that the list view isn't for you and want to head back to the good old grid layout. No worries, it's just as easy as switching to list view. Simply return your gaze to that same area at the top right of the screen and you'll find the grid layout icon waiting for you. Just click on that icon and your files will once again be displayed in that familiar grid format, complete with thumbnails. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your view from grid to list in Google Drive and back again if you choose. It's a simple switch that can make managing your files much more efficient depending on what you're working on. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more handy tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.